morning dear students, welcome to Excellence Point classes. Students, in the previous class we have already discussed with exercise number 3.3 and we have seen the graphical methods to solve the following questions. In this class we will start with probability and we will see the questions related to exercise number 3.4. So without wasting any time, let's start. Students, first of all I will start with the basic concept what probability is. So probability is chance of any event. What probability is chance of any event. Then what we are talking about event. Suppose we are talking about event getting rain. So we are having two chances over here. First, it's a possibility that it may rain, and second, the possibility is it may be a sunny day. So if I am talking about what the favorable outcome is, so it's getting rain, but what are the total possible outcomes? So we are having total two possible outcomes, that is getting rain and sunny day. So the formula of probability says that we are having number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So what's outcome is in our favor? So we want the rainy day only. So 1 divided by total number of possible outcomes, that are 2. So 1 upon 2 will be our probability. Always remember that the probability lies between 0 and 1. So we have finished with the basic concept. Now we will start with the exercise. So let's start with question number 1 over here. Now tell whether the following is certain to happen. Certain to happen means अचानक से. Here impossible नहीं हो सकता and can happen but not certain. इसका मतलब हो सकता है but अचानक से यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे हमको possibilities पता रहेंगी. Now what the first question says, you are older today than yesterday. What do we mean by that? When the relatives come at your home, you usually observe that they always say, "अरे कितना बड़ा हो गया." What do we mean by that? They mean by that you are that much few years ago. Now you are that much of height. Means you have grown drastically. It means it is certain to happen. Now the second question says, a tossed coin will land heads up. We are only having two possibilities over here. First will be head and second will be tail. So possibilities we already know, it means can happen but not certain. In the next question, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. It means the top should be 8. It is impossible because a die is only having the output from 1 to 6. Now the next traffic light can be seen be green. It means that the traffic lights are only having 3 possibilities. We already know the possibilities. It means it will be can happen but not certain. And for the last one, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So we know the possibilities that it may be a cloudy day or it may be a sunny day. So the answer will be can happen but not certain. So we have finished with the first question. Now we will start with the second one. Students, in question number 2, we have seen that the 6 marbles are there which are marked from 1 to 6. So let us consider that we have drawn 6 marble, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this will be 6. Now what is the event? We have to find the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Means we only want number 2 over there. So what is the event here? Event 2 is getting marble with number 2. Getting marble with number 2. Now we have to find the probability. So probability of event, PE means probability of event, is number of favorable outcomes. So how many are favorable outcomes? 1, and total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it means we are getting answer 1 by 6. Similarly, in question number 2, we will see what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5. So event is getting number 5. Now formula for PE means probability of event, number of favorable outcomes, it means 1 divided by total number of outcomes means 6. So the probability means 1 by 6. So we have finished with the second question. Now the third and the last question. Students, in the last question, we have seen that the coin is flipped to decide that which team will start the game. What is the probability that your team will start? I have considered here, suppose we are having two teams, first team A and team B. Suppose team A is my team. Now number of favorable outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are only one because I am having one team. Now total number of outcomes are here 2. So the total probability will be 1/2, and it's a very easy question, and we have finished with the chapter. Students, I hope so you all have enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, then do subscribe and press the bell icon. If you like the video, then please press the like button, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.